everybody! Good morning! So, habang nag-aalmusal ako, habang nag-breakfast ako, tignan nyo guys, nakita ko. Meron, santol. This is Farm Fresh Santol. And, ano daw, hinatid daw to ng lola at saka ng tito ko. Galing sa farm ng tita ko, and ang lalaking santol niyan. And of course, ito. This is, I think, santol jam din. It is nga. It is santol jam. Oh my God. It's perfect. Hindi maasim, hindi din siya matamis. Because, siguro yung lola ko ang gumawa niyan. My lola is, she was HERTLE teacher before. So, sobrang galing niyang gumawa ng mga preserved food. So, my God. Thank you, Lola. Thank you, Tito and Tita. So, happy morning, everybody.